In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Adobe Sign. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have access to a web browser. It could be your preferred choice like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. These are great options that support the functions we'll need. Once your web browser is up and running, you'll head over to the Adobe Sign public login page. For your reference, the URL is secure.adobesign.com/public login. This is the portal through which you'll gain access to Adobe Sign, so make sure you've got your login details handy. If, like many of us, you created your Adobe account using a social media account such as Google or Facebook, you'll be pleased to know that Adobe makes this process seamless. Just click on the appropriate button for the account you used during the sign-up process, and it should guide you with ease into your Adobe workspace. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself within your personal Adobe environment. This is where you have access to all your Adobe products, services, and your cloud storage. It's user-friendly and designed to centralize all your Adobe activity in one convenient spot. Now, direct your attention to Acrobat within your Adobe suite. Here, you'll notice an option that says Explore. Clicking on this will navigate you to the section where you can manage your PDF documents. This is the area where you'll either upload a new PDF file that you've been working on or choose from PDFs you've previously worked on and saved. If you plan to use a file you've been editing, just pick it from the list offered. Next, navigate to the eSign section. It's here that we'll actually start adding our checkboxes. You'll find this part of the interface quite intuitive. Below eSign, on the left sidebar, there's a crucial section titled Add Fields. Click on this to reveal your options. Among the available fields, you'll spot Checkbox. Selecting the checkbox option gives you the chance to customize it according to your specific requirements. Whether it's adjusting the size or the positioning, you have ample flexibility here. Taking the time to ensure your checkboxes are placed correctly is key to creating a professional-looking document. There you have it. Adding checkboxes in Adobe Sign is a straightforward task when you know where to find everything you need. Hopefully, this breakdown simplifies the process for you and empowers you to create dynamic, interactive PDFs with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing.